Hi everyone, so in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to make this beautiful braided hairband. You will need fiber to achieve this look. So what I did was to fold a piece of fabric. I folded it into two like so. Then you are going to need a length of 37 inch. You can see mine is on a fold and I had about 19 inch there. I'll make use of it. So you will have three of this, okay? Then you will also have this small piece here. The length should be 6 inch and the width should be about 5 inches. Okay, the width of the other long piece should be about 4 inch after sewing. That is, make it 5 inch so that after stitching you have 4 inch. Okay, so go ahead and fold into two, stitch with half inch, then turn outside right. Once you turn it outside right, you will need fiber. Now you're going to, insert your fibers inside of this band. Okay, just insert it, make sure you stuff it very well. Just add fiber inside of this band, make sure the boot edge is well filled. Okay, so I'll just keep inserting fibers until I have it looking like this. Okay, so I did it out of camera. It will take time, but just you have to, you have to have some patience to achieve this. You get? So the next thing you want to do again is to iron. Ensure you iron and make sure your seam is facing the center line. Okay, make sure your seam line is facing the center line. So I want to, merge the three pieces together. You can see how I'm placing it. Just use one to cover the seam line, then go ahead and stitch with half inch. After joining with half inch, you can see what I have here. Okay, so what I want to do now is to start braiding it. You can either hold the edge with your machine so you can, braid it. Okay, just like I did. Or someone to hold the edge for you, then you braid it like this. Okay, just like you braid your attachment. Just go ahead and braid it just like you see me doing here. Continue doing that. Is either you make it tight or loose, but don't make it too tight. And when braiding, make sure the seam line are all inside. Okay, make sure it's not showing at the right side of your hairband. You get? Arrange the three pieces together like you see me doing here. Arrange them together. Head over straight your sewing machine and make a stitch. Okay, just stitch the three pieces. So after sewing, you can see what I have here. You can see the seam lines are all facing the wrong side, while the right side does not have any seam line. Okay, just make it neat. So the next you want to do now is to, align the both edge of the band, align them like so, then go ahead and stitch. Okay, you should place it, you should place one on top of each other, then stitch, make a top stitch. But if it's very hard for you, you can use a hand stitch, like you can use needle to hand stitch it. Do you get what I said? But I will try and make use of my sewing machine. All right, so I've gone ahead to sew and I made use of my sewing machine. If yours is so difficult for you, just make use of your hand stitch. It's as simple as that. So now the next thing I did again was to sew this little band, and you can see I ironed the seam. You can see the seam is on the wrong side and also at the center line. Just place it at the rough edge. You place it like so, then use half inch to stitch. Okay, just stitch the both little band with half inch. Okay, don't make it too tight, allow it to be free. Okay, just stitch but it should be free so that when turning the band the right side it won't be difficult for you to do. Okay, you can see mine was a little bit free, that's why I was able to turn it the right side. Okay, so it is very simple to make. This was the result. I made a people dress, so I had to also create this for my client because she requested for it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and this will be the end of our today's tutorial. Don't forget to share this video and also subscribe. Bye.